Italy is bracing itself for another possible lockdown after the country registered a record number of new coronavirus cases. And the pressure on hospitals continues to rise. On Friday there were 52 more people in intensive care wards and over 380 more hospital admissions. I'm afraid of the new measures. I don't think we need them because we can live well with spacing and masks. There's no need to close everything because if we don't die of COVID-19, we'll die of hunger. In England, more than half of the population are now under tighter coronavirus restrictions. London was put on the second highest level, but Northern England is hardest hit.
The further up north you come, the more penalised you have become. So you do get angry. You can't do much about it because the last say is the government.
In France, Paris and the surrounding area, as well as 8 other cities, will now have to abide by a 9 p.m. curfew. Many bars, restaurants and cinemas will now have to shut as they'll be unable to make a profit. Many restaurant owners are angry as they've not recovered from the first lockdown, and 12,000 extra police officers will be deployed to enforce the new rules.
across Europe are weighing nationwide lockdowns once again as infection rates hit new records. German Chancellor Angela Merkel has just announced a 4-week partial lockdown, meaning restaurants and bars will be forced to close from Monday until the end of November. 5 different countries in Europe reported new record daily infections, while the continent's stock markets have dropped to their lowest levels since May. The virus is spreading fastest in the Czech Republic, closely followed by Belgium. Both have infection rates above 1,400 cases per 100,000 people, far outstripping hotbeds like France and Spain. Meanwhile, in the French capital, sweeping new restrictions are expected to be announced tonight, which could range from extended curfews to a 4-week lockdown. The country has the highest number of infections in Europe, and top scientists warn new cases could be double the official toll.